Meaning of freehand.
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 Freehand. Freehand refers to the technique of creating or drawing something without using any guiding tools or aids, such as rulers or compasses. It is a method of expressing creativity and spontaneity in one's work, allowing for a more organic and natural feel. Freehand drawings or designs often have a unique character and imperfections that add to their charm and appeal. The result of freehand work is a product that showcases the artist's skill and personal style, while also conveying a sense of freedom and fluidity.